A very good morning, students. Students, let's start our English class. Chapter 8, A Genie in a Bottle. A Genie in a Bottle, page number 90. Let me share that ebook with you. I hope you all can see the screen. So students, this chapter is all about a genie and a fisherman. Understand? Siksha, do not touch the screen, please. This chapter is about a genie and a fisherman. A poor fisherman whose name was Narayan and who get caught in a difficult situation, but use his brain to get out himself. Understand? So let's read this story.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Friends, listen to the story carefully of this chapter, Genie in a Bottle, page number 90. So let's start this chapter, students. As you can see, this story is about genie and a poor fisherman whose name was Narayan. So how did he caught a genie, and how did he got in a difficult situation and he used his brain to get out of that situation and save himself. So let's read this story. So once there was a poor fisherman named Narayan. Every day he went to the sea with his net. One morning he pulled his net out of the water. He found it almost empty. There were no fish in it, only a dirty old bottle. Narayan was sad. He wanted a fish, not an old bottle. Maybe I can sell it, he said to himself. So here you can see, once there was a poor fisherman. एक poor fisherman था एक बार की बात है, and whose name was Narayan. उसका नाम क्या था? Narayan. Every day he went to the sea. हर दिन वो sea में जाता था with his net. One morning he pulled his net out of the water. एक दिन वो अपने नेट को पानी से बाहर खींचा. He found it almost empty. The net was almost empty. There was no fish. उसमें कोई fish नहीं था. Only a dirty old bottle. उसमें सिर्फ एक dirty old bottle थी. Narayan was sad. He wanted a fish. Narayan बहुत sad हो गया क्योंकि उसको fish चाहिए थी. Not an old bottle. एक old bottle नहीं चाहिए थी, उसको fish चाहिए थी. Maybe I can sell it. He said कि हो सकता है चलो मैं इस बॉटल को सेल करता हूँ. He said to himself. उसने खुद से कहा. He washed the bottle. It became clean. उसने पानी से उस बॉटल को साफ कर दिया, क्लीन कर दिया. He looked at it closely. उसने उसको पास से देखा. It was tightly closed with a bright lid. एक बहुत ही चमकदार lid means ढक्कन से वो बंद था बॉटल. Narayan had to use a knife to break the lid. Narayan को एक knife की जरूरत पड़ी उस lid को open करने के लिए. The bottle was empty. He turned it over and shook it. A white cloud came out of the bottle and flew up into the air. The cloud grew bigger and bigger. Soon the fisherman saw a huge genie before him. The genie was as tall as a mountain. So when he opened that bottle, he saw that bottle was empty. He turned it over and shook it. He turned it over and shook it. He just shook that bottle. The bottle को हिलाया. A white cloud came out of the bottle and flew up into the air. एक सफेद सा cloud निकला bottle से और वो हवा में ऊपर चला गया. The cloud grew bigger and bigger. जो cloud था वो बहुत बड़ा हो गया और बड़ा हो गया. Soon the fisherman saw a huge genie before him. बहुत जल्दी उसने देखा कि एक जिनी उसके सामने आके खड़ा हो गया. As you can see on this picture over here, a genie before him. The genie was as tall as mountain. Genie mountain के बराबर बड़ा था. The frightened fisherman fell on the ground. The genie looked at him in anger and said, "Come here, little man." जो frightened means डरा हुआ fisherman था वो ground में गिर पड़ा. And गिरने के बाद the genie looked at him in anger and said, genie ने उसको गुस्से से देखा.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, उसने गुस्से से देखा और कहा, इधर आओ little man, come here. But what have I done? I am looking for King Solomon. Fisherman ने कहा, मैंने क्या किया है? What have I done? मैंने क्या किया है? And that genie said that I am looking for King Solomon. He put me in this bottle and closed it up with his seal. जिनी ने कहा that मैं किसको ढूंढ रहा हूँ? King Solomon. He put me in this bottle. उसने मुझे इस बॉटल में बंद कर दिया था. And lid को close कर दिया था. अपनी seal लगा के close कर दिया था उसके बॉटल. He then threw the bottle into the sea. उसने तो बॉटल को sea में फेंक दिया, lid लगा के. But King Solomon died 2000 years ago. Cried the fisherman. Fisherman ने चिल्ला के कहा कि King Solomon तो 2000 years पहले चला गया. He just died. What? Roared the genie. Genie ने उससे से कहा, क्या ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Then my old enemy is dead. तो क्या मेरा पुराना दुश्मन, my enemy is dead, क्या वो मर गया? Well, little man, you can take his place. Get ready to die. तो उसने कहा जिनी ने, अच्छा तो ऐसा बात है little man, अब तुम उसकी जगह ले लोगे. चलो तैयार हो जाओ मरने के लिए. He said. That genie said, चलो अब तुम तैयार हो जाओ मरने के लिए. The fisherman thought for a while and looked at the genie with a smile on his tired face. Fisherman ने सोचा थोड़ी देर. He thought. थोड़ी देर सोचा, फिर उसने कहा, जिनी की तरफ देखा और उसने स्माइल किया. अपने थके हुए चेहरे के साथ उसने स्माइल किया जिनी को देख के. Come on now, come now, said fisherman. Fisherman ने कहा, चलो ठीक है, चलो मार दो मुझे. Okay. You don't expect me to believe your story. You do not believe me? The fisherman smiled again. Where did you come from? You did not come out of the little bottle, of that little bottle, did you? I'm just a simple man, but I am not foolish. How could a huge genie like you get inside a little bottle like that? So that fisherman said that come now, you don't expect me to believe this story. मैं नहीं सोच सकता कि तुम्हारी स्टोरी सही है. मैं तुम्हारी स्टोरी पर बिलीव नहीं करता. Then fisherman smiled again and said that आप कहाँ से आए हो? You did not come out of that little bottle. तुम इस छोटे से बॉटल से तो नहीं आ सकते. आप कैसे आ सकते हो आप इस छोटे से बॉटल से बाहर? I'm just a simple man. मैं एक बहुत ही सिंपल आदमी हूँ, लेकिन मैं फुलिश नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं बेवकूफ नहीं हूँ. मुझे इतना दिमाग है कि इतना बड़ा ह्यूज जिनी इस छोटे से बॉटल के अंदर कैसे आएगा? It is not possible. Then genie said, I am a genie, replied the genie, and I can do anything. उसने कहा कि मैं एक जिनी हूँ और मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. You cannot expect me to believe that, said the fisherman. Fisherman ने कहा, क्या तुमको विश्वास नहीं होता है? मैं तुम्हारी बात पे विश्वास नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तुम ऐसे कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो? मैं तुम्हारी बात पे विश्वास कभी नहीं कर सकता. Look, I am a lot smaller than you are, and I cannot get into the bottle. उसने कहा फिशरमैन ने कि मैं तो तुमसे भी कितना छोटा हूँ, लेकिन मैं भी इस बॉटल के अंदर नहीं आ सकता. So how can you get into this bottle? तुम कैसे आ सकते हो? Then the genie was very angry now. Genie को बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. You silly little man, just watch what I can do. Roared. उसने बहुत गुस्से में आके तेजी से कहा जिनी ने कि तुम छोटे से सिली आदमी, how can you think like that? देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ. देखो अब मैं क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ। The body of the genie burst into a cloud of many colors. तो जो बॉडी थी जिनी की वो burst हो गई। बहुत डिफरेंट से बादलों में डिफरेंट कलर के बादल। The cloud grew smaller and smaller. जो क्लाउड था वो बहुत छोटा और छोटा हो गया। It became white again. तो फिर से white हो गया। This white cloud went through the neck of the bottle. White cloud था वो नेक, जो बॉटल का नेक था उसके अंदर चला गया। The fisherman quickly took the lid and sealed the bottle again. जल्दी से फिशरमैन गया, तुरंत लिड लेकर आया, उसने लिड बॉटल के ऊपर लगा दी फिर से और उस बॉटल को बंद कर दिया। The genie was trapped inside the bottle once again. फिर से जिनी उस बॉटल में ट्रैप हो गया again. You can stay there for another 2000 years, cried the fisherman, and threw the bottle back into the sea. So fisherman ने कहा अब तुम again 2000 years तक के लिए इस बॉटल में ट्रैप हो गए हो, कैद हो गए हो। और उसने जोर से चिल्लाते हुए इस बॉटल को सी में फिर से फेंक दिया। So this was the story of genie and in a bottle. Genie in a bottle. This was the story, and we are getting a message over here, which you can see. In this message, we can see that we should stay calm and act wisely in a difficult situation. This is the message of the story. Understand? I hope you understood the story. सबको story समझ में आई? Have you all understood the story properly? अभिनंदन, have you listened the story? सुना आपने? अभिनंदन, आपने story सुना? Have you listened the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yashwan?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So the moral of this story was we should stay calm and act wisely in a difficult situation. Means whenever we are in any difficult situation, we have to calm down. हमें शांति से सोचना चाहिए that what can we do? अब हम इस difficult situation में क्या कर सकते हैं? We have to think about the solution. Understand? So let's complete the exercise of this chapter. What did Narayan find in his net? Fish, genie, old bottle, nothing. What is the answer? Who can tell me? What did he find in his net? Fish, genie,
old bottle.
Nothing. Yes, he found old bottle. Very good. Why did Narayan clean the bottle? He thought that he could sell it. He wanted to see what was inside. He did not like dirty things. He liked the bottle.
And he thought that he cloud play it.
He could sell it. Could.
पूछे मैम से, अरे बीच में कैसे बोलते हैं?
Next.
पूछ मैम से।
If you find a bottle with a genie,
बोल तो चुकी है WhatsApp में भेज दे, कितनी बार पूछती है? बोली तो मैडम अभी थोड़ी सुन जा रही, रुक जा।
so the answer of the first question was old bottle, and he thought that he could sell it. Second one, and the third, if you find a bottle with a genie, what would you do? Make him your friend. Do what Narayan did. Do what he tells you. Tell him to do good thing. अगर आपको बॉटल मिलेगा then what would you do? आप क्या करोगे?
Tell him good thing.
Yes, tell him to do good things. उसको बताएंगे कि हमें क्या अच्छी चीजें क्या है, क्या करना चाहिए अच्छी चीजें. Understand? Move to the next exercise. Pen is to writer as dash is to fisherman. What is the answer of this question? Net. अगर राइटर के लिए पेन है तो फिशरमैन के लिए क्या है? नेट. अंडरस्टैंड? टिक ऑन नेट. नेक्स्ट, Think and answer. So you have to do this question by yourself. Match the pictures with the words that describes.
मैम ये जो पिक्चर वाला है मैम,
You
इसको
just
मैम
have
ये बुक में करना है क्या मैम, जो थिंक एंड आंसर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है?
to do this in your notebook. Understand? This thing
मैम
and
ये इसको
answer.
नोटबुक में करना है.
This question you have to do on your notebook also. All the question and answer I'll send you on Monday. Then you can complete them on your WhatsApp, on your notebook.
मतलब बाकी जो एक्सरसाइज है मैम आप मंडे को सेंड करेंगी?
No, exercise will complete today. In our next period, we will complete first exercise, rest of the exercise, and on question answers and word meanings, I'll send on Monday. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to the exercise of this chapter. Open page number 95. Grammar. Articles a and the. A fisherman found a bottle. We use and before words that begin with vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u. There was a genie inside the bottle. It was an angry genie. We use a before words that begin with consonant sound. We use the for that are being used for a second time. We also use the for something we are certain about to something special. Complete this paragraph with a and the to the fill in the blank. To fill in the blanks. Okay. One day Alice was resting under a tree.
Ma'am,
Not a tree. The sun was shining brightly. She was listening to her sister reading a story. The story was very interesting. Suddenly Alice saw an ostrich. An ostrich run past her. There was something strange about the ostrich. It could talk. It could talk, a talking ostrich. Wondered Alice. I hope you all have done this exercise. Move to the next exercise. Move to the next exercise, students. Adjectives. So here, read these sentences and note the underlined adjectives. Fill in the blanks with their opposites from the box. Here we just have to fill in the blank with the opposites of the underlined word. What is the opposite of big? The big genie came out of a dash bottle. Big. Opposite of big is? Who can tell me?
small.
Yes.
Small.
Very good. The opposite of big is small. Small. Next, the shirt is dash, but the pant is dry. What is the opposite of dry? Just raise your hand. Opposite of dry. What is the meaning of dry? Yes, Alka. Yes, Alka. What is the meaning of dry?
मैम स्लो
Yes, Gulam.
फास्ट कैसे?
Gulam Ansari, what is the opposite of dry? And what is the meaning of dry? First of all, tell me. Gulam Ansari, what is the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of dry? Tell me.
Heavy.
What is the meaning of dry? Dry means क्या होता है?
Wet.
Dry की meaning क्या होती है? What is the meaning of dry? What is the meaning of dry? Meaning of dry you have to tell me. Anybody know?
Ma'am, wait.
What is the meaning of dry? I am asking the meaning. Meaning बताओ क्या होता है dry means? Tell me the meaning of dry.
Ma'am, heavy. Dry means सूखा.
Let me tell you. Dry means होता है.
Dry means सूखा.
Yes, dry means
Ma'am, सूखा.
सूखा. Yes, that's what I am asking you. Dry means होता है सूखा, and the opposite of dry is wet. Understand? The opposite of dry is wet, wet. The rabbit was fast, but the tortoise was slow. Fast means तेज and slow means धीरे. So students, will complete rest of the exercise in our next period. Okay? Till then, complete all the exercise which we have completed on your notebook, on your book as well. Book and notebook both we have to do. Okay? And your oral syllabus is from chapter 1 to 7. Word meanings, poem, question answers, everything. Understand? Chapter 1 to 7 is your oral syllabus.
गुड बॉय आने वाली है क्या मैम?
Yes.
मैम
Yes.